Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first half of November. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Aquarians. Okay, so we have the Wheel of Fortune, the Page of Pentacles, the Emperor, wow, the Sun card, the Star, wow, beautiful reading Aquarians. At least the Six of Wands, major arcanas out here, the King of Swords, the Page of Swords, and the Hangman. Why is it ending with the Hangman? Tower. What is this? Seems to be pretty good. Ten of Wands, the King of Wands. Take cards later if I need to. What are the messages from this deck for Aquarians? Okay, we have the Nine of Diamonds, guidance from the angels for Aquarians. Two of Abundance. Okay, so Aquarians, things have started moving in your favor. Okay, things have got rolling, life has started changing. Things are moving in the way you want them to move, and you are having new beginnings. And the way these beginnings have shaped up, they have made you a little more powerful than before. That's what I feel. Your wishes are being fulfilled. You become more powerful, more authoritative, or maybe even you've got a promotion. But your wishes are being fulfilled. But what I'm again and again, the message which I'm getting here is that people are trying to pull your leg from behind, though. A lot of backbiting is going on, perhaps, or people are even trying to pull you down. But still, you are able to make a mark for yourself. It seems to be more of a professional situation as for now. We'll see how the reading progresses. And here with the Star and the Sun card, with the Six of Wands, undoubtedly you are gaining a lot of happiness, lot of recognition, lot of appreciation. People are looking up to you. That's what I said. Perhaps you've got a promotion, and maybe that is why people are jealous of you and pulling your leg from behind, or bitching, talking behind your back. It is something like that. And here with the King of Swords, the Page of Swords, again, what I feel is, the King of Swords, what I feel is that you are guarding yourself pretty well, becoming detached, sort of, keeping people at a distance from you because you know what is going on behind you, perhaps behind your back. Can be that. And here with the Page of Swords, there is again a new beginning. You have a clarity of something. You have a clarity. You're gaining clarity. Maybe it is some sort of a communication which has come in, or some sort of a message which has come in, which has made things clear to you. There is something which some sort of a communication which has come up over here. But the thing is, I don't think that this whatever this message is, or this communication is, or this clarity, or this envision, or your idea is, whatever this is, I don't think it is a pleasant one actually. Let me see. Yeah, it's not a pleasant communication. That's what I say. And that is why I think your guards are up. With the King of Swords, your guards are up. You're feeling very, very guarded. You're guarding yourself because you know what's going on. And whatever is happening, the message which you are receiving over here, or whatever you are sensing, perhaps if it is your own intuition, then that is not a very pleasant thing, because with the Tower and the Hanged Man, what I feel is that there is sudden shake up over here which is troubling you, and which makes you stuck in a situation. So there is a situation which is coming in, which is making you sort of stuck. You really don't know how to come out of it, what to do about it. It's something like that. And with the Ten of Wands, though, you will unburden yourself. You will be able to get over this situation with the time, but it will take some time, because you've been carrying this burden since a long time. You worked hard for this, whatever it was. And perhaps since something unpleasant is happening over here, you just want to unburden yourself or give away this responsibility, sort of. That is what you feel like doing, but I don't think you will do that. With the King of Wands, I don't think you will give up. Though perhaps it can be a transient emotion or transient phase that you feel like giving up this responsibility or whatever this, because the situation has uh, given you an unpleasant phase, at least at this point in time. But I think you will regain your control once again. You will take back the control. Let me see if there is. I don't know. It can be something related to the relationship also. If it was a relationship that you were looking towards, and you were feeling very happy about it, and maybe there was a lot of happiness, wish fulfillment, celebrations, and everything was there. But then maybe something has happened. If it is a relationship, in the relationship that you are not liking it, and you just want to give it up, but you won't do it if it is a relationship. But somehow I don't know why I'm getting it is more of a workplace scenario. Let me see if I have something else over here for the outcome for Queens. Okay, again the Nine of Wands, the Four of Swords, the Four of Cups. Here it's again, you are giving yourself that time. I think this is the healing time which you're giving to yourself, because you feel like unburdening, as I said, but you will take back the control. But there is a phase in which you've been uh, surrendering yourself to the situation. After this Hangman and the Tower, you are not doing much action. You are not doing much. You're really not interested also in doing much, because you want to unburden yourself from this responsibility, and you are feeling stuck. So that is the time in which you are not taking much action or doing much about it. You are just hoping this to pass by, or let go of the situation. You're trying to tide over the situation. That's what I'm getting. Wow, it's being followed by the Two of Cups. So there is obviously somebody is in a relationship over here. Two of Cups, Seven of Cups, Justice, Three of Cups. So it can be a relationship also for some of you, or it can be a workplace partnership. It can be, if it was a workplace, maybe it was an equal partnership and something has happened over here which has messed it up. Can be that also. But for those who it was a relationship, then as I said, something has happened which is unpleasant to you, and then you here it's all talking about confusion, but some sort of truth comes up with the Justice card. And with the Three of Cups, what I feel is ultimately you will, as I said, gain back the control of the situation. And I think here you are feeling happy. Perhaps justice is being served, perhaps the truth is being told, truth comes out that what you that you were right, something of that sort. And here what I feel is you are feeling happy and celebrating this happiness of yours, your victory of yours. And over here also in the Nine of Diamonds, it is the Hermit card of this deck. It talks about self-sacrifice, self-care, and sacrificing without any regret. So here I think in this pursuit of achieving this happiness, these targets, this happiness, if it was a relationship, whatever it was, you have done a lot. You have even sacrificed yourself to some extent in attaining this and in achieving this happiness. And when this unpleasant thing happens, it shakes you off because it is beyond expectation after putting in so much of an effort. And that is what is knocking you off the balance over here. Definitely, it is either partnership or a romantic relationship for some of you, but you will take back the control once again. Two of Abundance. Life may be feeling a little out of balance right now. You could be working multiple jobs or trying to make a change to your dream career. It is important to keep things light and stay in touch with your inner child. Make your work as playful as possible. Multitasking with a positive attitude brings success. So definitely, that's what I said. You are off balance because of something, and you need to restore the balance, and that is what you are doing over here. You will be able to make the balance, Aquarians. So something, I think it looks, I don't know why it looks again and again more of a workplace scenario, though it can be a relationship also for some of you. So hope it helps, Aquarians. That's all I have for you. Please subscribe to my channel and let's meet in the next video. Bye.